Hi guys, so this video is part of a succulent soil comparison series that I'm doing. I'm reviewing 4 popular succulent soil mixes at different price points. This is the Sungro Black Gold Cactus Mix. The price for this is $29.99 for these 2 bags at the time of purchase. Each bag is 8 quarts in size. Product description says, our unique combination of perlite, pumice, earthworm castings, and compost provides the perfect soil structure and drainage for all types of cacti, bromeliads, and succulents. Ingredients lists include pumice, cinders or perlite, processed forest products, processed softwood bark, compost, and composted worm castings. So as soon as I opened this bag, I could tell this is high quality soil mix in my opinion. To be honest, I don't usually purchase this brand because I usually run to the store to buy my soil, but my local hardware store usually does not have this available. But with this whole shelter-in-place situation, I am getting used to purchasing most things online, even my succulent soil mix. And I have to say I am happy with this product and how the mix looks. In fact, I would feel comfortable using this alone without adding or amending the soil to make it more porous. I do live in a dry climate and I don't have problems with overwatering. If you tend to run into problems with overwatering your succulents, you may still want to add pumice or perlite to this to add more drainage. Of course, that would add to the cost. Perlite is a lot cheaper than pumice, by the way, and easier to find in stores as well. This product is not cheap. These 2 bags cost $29.99, so 1 bag is about $15. But it is a pretty big bag. It's 8 quarts in size. Just from the product and quality alone, and without considering cost, this would be my top choice for succulent soil. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos related to this topic. I'll have a playlist in the description box for this soil series. Please like and subscribe if these are the types of videos you'd like to watch. It'll really help us out with YouTube's algorithm. Thanks.